Right, first thing we need to do is just to get your stretcher in the centre of your canvas. So you can just check it. By doing that, make sure it's okay. Same on these sides as well. So what I'm doing is I'm using my thumb and my finger, and I'm also using my other fingers, and I'm just going to pull it until you get that. So just do that, and then again exactly the same as before with your thumbs, and pull it, and what you should get now is two lines here. So just do that and hold it down with your thumb, put in a staple. Right, other side exactly the same again, get those lines, staple. Depending which way your fold is going to be, which way you want to fold it, so I want my fold coming from this side. I'm going to do that, yeah, so I'm going to pull it this way, and I'm going to get my thumb and finger again, and I'm going to press against it with this, and I'm going to lever, and I'm going to pull that this way, so I'm pulling the canvas this way, and at the same time I'm going to lever again here, so I'm pulling this way, and I'm pulling this way. And I'm going to do that, right? Now I'm going to hold it down, and then I put a stapler across the corner. So I'm going to turn it around so I'm exactly the same side. I'm going to do exactly the same thing again. So I'm pulling this way, and I'm pulling this way. And hold it down. So we're looking something like this, but we need to make sure now that on this side we're going exactly the same direction. And get a staple in. Okay, now that we've done this part, we're just going to take hold of this, and we're going to get it with a thumb and finger, and we're going to lever it and pull it that way. Hold on with a thumb. What I sometimes do is I just lift it off the table a little and just pull it down, and then press it and put in the staple. So you can actually do it with one. Right, what we need to do now is we need to form a line here. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to pull it this way, and you'll see we've got a line there. And I'm going to hold this now, this canvas, against the side, and then this part I'm going to pull it this way, I'm going to hold it down, and then this part I'm going to lift it up. Now with this, this is quite interesting. You can actually turn this with your fingers, and you can move this line away from the side or towards the edge more. And then what you need to do, you need to flatten this bit here, and then take this part, and so I'm pulling this way and this way, and I'm going to hold that down, staple, and then, right, so you've got to be careful because the stretcher pegs will go in this way. So you don't want to staple in the middle of that. Put that in. So pulling it this way, hold it. So I'm do it on my left, just so hands are not in the way. And I'm going to pull it this way like this. I can fix it if I want, but if I don't want, it's also okay as long as that's secure. And then I'm going to press this in. I'm going to pull it this way and this way. Now if you want to, you can put a staple in if you want to, and that'll secure it. Now we've got a little bit of excess coming over here, so we can put a staple in just to hold it. I'm going to take this, put a staple if I need another one. That'll That looks great. Now if you're using a stretcher from a shop, they're going to give you these stretcher pegs, and all you need to do with those is pop them in the sides like this, and what that'll do is then if there's any slack on the canvas you can just tap them in. So just to show you, if I just pop that in there, see, just pop it in the little slot there. Now let's say for example you look down it and you think that's not quite straight. What you can do is you can just put some pressure down, just push down and just bend it a little bit. Just put some pressure, and what it'll do is it'll straighten it up. And now that's perfect. So it's flat on the table, there's no twist in it at all.